know the Roller King? Everything has to sync up.
That's why I use HP Connected Apps. It organizes my digital life by putting it all in one place with one simple login. There's HP Connected Music. It syncs the music from all my sources and puts it all in one place. I got HP Connected Photo, which syncs the pictures from my PC, smartphone, and tablet and puts it all
In one place.
Then there's the HP Connected Drive, which uses the cloud to take the files from all my devices. And that's right, puts it all
In one place.
Oh, yeah!
HP Connected Apps makes managing my digital life super simple because
Roller King is always